Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。Alice， 让我来先练习一下我的数字。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。Did I get it right? 真的吗？ I was trying to practice my number counting in Hakka because, you know, that's the basic thing that you should know. And if I fail that, that's not good. And so, 还 OK 了哦。
有进步。
有进步 OK, I improved. Thank you very much, Alice. 那为什么我们今天要来数数字呢？因为呢，现在是9月了。It's September. And the number 9 is very lucky in pretty much every Chinese culture. 其实不管是台湾的文化、哈卡、客家的文化，9这个数字呢，永远都是很不错的，因为长长久久，对不对？
久久重重啊，
久久重重，
久久啊。哦
because it has the same pronunciation as long, something lasting forever, basically. So the Chinese consider the number 9 very lucky. And today we have a phrase of the month, 对不对？今天现在教的是每月一宴了，而且是跟这个数字9有关系。
堂后咯。
Okay, we're going to listen to Alice's phrase of the month.
9月初9中韭菜，2年9錢9韭菜。9月初9
9月初9
中韭菜。
中韭菜 Okay, I can understand the first part. 9月9日嘛，对不对？ That's September 9th. 然后中韭菜，这是什么？
中韭菜，韭菜吃过吧
？Oh, leeks. Okay, that's right. You know what? Leeks is 韭菜. So it has that same sound as in 9, 9. Okay, so that means on September 9th, if you plant leeks, 然后第二句话呢
？2年9錢
6年9錢
9韭菜。
9韭長哦9韭長就9韭長了哦 What that second phrase means, the two of you will have a friendship that lasts forever. 也就是兩人的交情會長長久久。
錯。
哦 OK 用哈卡再講一次。
9月初9中韭菜。
9月初9中韭菜。OK
2年9錢9韭菜。
2年9錢9韭長。Okay, so there you go. That's our phrase of the month, and hope anyone out there will have a long-lasting friendship with your best friends. All right, that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.